Hello viewers, NABARD will recruit candidates for specialist consultant posts. Eligible candidates can apply for the post on nabard.org on or before August 23, 2020. Link of the official notification is given in the description of this video, and its information is shared as National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Recruitment for the post of specialist consultant on contract. These are some general instructions where in the second point it is written that candidates are requested to apply only online through bank's website www.nabard.org. No other mode of submission of application will be accepted by NABARD. Online application registration and payment of online fees or intimation charges 7th August 2020 to 23 August 2020. Number of vacancy or reservation per category are 1 seat for general in project manager, 1 seat for general in senior analyst, 1 seat for senior analyst, 1 for project manager, 1 for analytics cum chief data consultant, 1 for cyber security manager, 1 for additional cyber security manager, 1 for additional cyber security manager, 2 for additional chief risk manager, 2 for risk managers. 2 seat is also reserved for OBC in risk managers. Candidates may note that they can only apply for any one of the above posts as per the education qualification and job profile mentioned under eligibility criteria. Here are the details of the education qualification for project manager, for senior analyst network or SDWAN operation, for project manager IT operations or infrastructure services, for analytics cum chief data consultant, for cyber security manager, for additional cyber security manager, for additional chief risk manager, for risk manager. The link of the official notification is given in the description of this video. The emolument are mentioned as follows: for project manager rupees 3 lakh, for senior analyst rupees 2.5 lakh, for senior analyst network or SDWAN operations rupees 2.5 lakh, for project manager IT operations or infrastructure system rupees 2.5 lakh, for analytics cum chief data consultant rupees 3.75 lakh, for cyber security manager rupees 3.75 lakh, for additional cyber security manager rupees 2.5 lakh, for additional chief risk manager rupees 3 lakh, for risk managers credit risk, market risk, operational risk it is rupees 2.5 lakh. The home rent allowance for project manager is 0.3 lakh, for senior analyst 0.25 lakh, for senior analyst network or SDWAN operations 0.25 lakh, for analytics cum chief data consultant 0.38 lakh, for cyber security manager 0.38 lakh, for additional cyber security manager 0.25 lakh, for additional chief risk manager 0.30 lakh, for risk managers 0.25 lakh. Application fee for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe or person with benchmark disabilities are rupees 50, and for all others it is rupees 800. The selection procedure is: the candidates will be shortlisted for interview in the ratio of 1:10 on the basis of qualification, experience, etc. The roll numbers of the candidates shortlisted for the interview and subsequent selection shall be published on bank website, that is www.nabard.org. The decision of the bank in shortlisting for interview and selecting the candidates for appointment based on minimum qualification standards shall be final, and no correspondence will be entertained in this regard. The final appointment will be based on the decision of the selection committee constituted for the purpose. The bank reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of posts or cancel the above contract recruitment in part or full as per institutional requirement without assigning for any reason at any stage of recruitment process. I hope the information shared by me about the recruitment to the post of specialist consultant on contract by National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development was relevant to you. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.